Let's start this video. Doctor Slump, the much-awaited rom-com featuring Parker Hyung and Parker Shin, taking the lead in is slated for a global premiere on January 27, ahead of the release. The iconic duo last seen together in The Heirs have opened up on their exciting reunion after a decade. Parker Hyung and Parker Shin on their reunion in Doctor Slump. JTBC's upcoming drama Doctor Slump recently offered a glimpse into the evolving dynamic between its landscape portrayed by Parker Hyung and Parker Shin. The romantic comedy revolves around the two former rivals whose unexpected reunion became a source of light during a challenging times. Parker Hyung takes on the roles of Yoo Jung-oh, a renowned plastic surgeon facing a sudden career and a crisis due to an unusual medical incident. Oppositely, Parker Shin embodies Namnanian, a diligence and grappling with a burnout syndrome. Notably, Doctor Slump marks a significant real-life reunion for the two actors, who previously shared the screen in a hideous decade ago. Thanks for watching.